These air fryer bacon onion bombs are literally the bomb.com. If you've never tried them, this is something you do not want to miss. Here's the ingredients. Let's make our ground beef mixture, our ground beef, our breadcrumbs, our egg, our milk. We need some barbecue sauce, salt, pepper, garlic powder. I did just the pepper and garlic powder. Now combine it well. And this is basically our mixture for our meatballs. Now get some onions. We're going to cut off the bottoms like that, bottom and top. And now start peeling off the outer layers. Create a meatball. Put a hole in it. Get a little cheese cube. And you can actually, you know what I was thinking after, you probably could fit two in if you wanted. Get that meatball into your onion peels. Like a little perfect little cup. Now, let's wrap it in bacon. Like we're just going to just keep taking this one step further. 3 pieces of bacon, get it wrapped up, and then just use some toothpicks just to keep that bacon in place. And we're going to air fry it in an air fryer at 400 degrees for 25 minutes. Check it around the 23-minute mark just to make sure that your bacon is not cooking too quickly, and or check it in midway to see if you want to roll them around at all. But look at how absolutely delicious. This is, like I said, if you've not tried it, it's something you have to try at least once in your lifetime. This is nearly a 5-star recipe. I don't know why it's a 4.9. It's a 5-star plus in my eyes.